We are heading over to our friend's home. They are 1/3 of the couple of the Empty Nest Supper Club. The other third, does that make sense? We're a third, they're a third. We have 3 couples, in other words, that we have formed what we call the Empty Nest Supper Club. We've been doing this for a couple years now. We all take turns hosting the Empty Nest Supper Club. It's usually about quarterly, and we usually have a theme. Like we've done an Italian night. We did obviously the Christmas party, Halloween. We are all empty nesters. We all have grown kids who no longer live at home. We try not to tell them about things because they want to be invited to the supper club, because the best part of our supper club is the fact that we all really enjoy wine, and we really enjoy good wine. We all have started collecting wine together and sampling things. Luckily, we all have homes that are conducive to overnight guests should the need arise, and it more often than not does because we go through many bottles. We won't say what our record is. What was our record? Like 11 bottles or something like that. Yikes. I think it was, right? 9 or 11, one of those, but a lot for 6 people in one evening. COVID has kind of put a damper on things. So this is our first, not post-COVID. We know COVID is still around, but post-vaccination. We're all fully vaccinated, and this is our post-vaccination Empty Nest Supper Club. And tonight's theme is the best of the best. Everybody kind of put their votes in on what we have prepared in the past that everyone likes and thinks is one of the best things. So tonight on the menu we have my Tuscan lasagna, which is an old recipe that I've been making for years, and it's in the Better Homes and Gardens cookbook that I got as a gift, I don't know, 20 years ago or something, but it's really good. John is making smoked salmon, which he smokes and does the brine and all that himself. Bret, he is making tiramisu. What we do is we'll plan the meal. Typically the person who's hosting does the main course, and we all pair our courses with a bottle of wine. So, or 2, whatever, you know. It's typically an appetizer, an entree, and a dessert with wines paired throughout. And I'm looking forward to seeing them. We haven't seen them in a while. Oh, and this guy right here, he graduated. Why do I keep saying graduated? He retired from his job. And as you can see, he's a little too young for retirement, so that doesn't mean he's gonna sip pina coladas on the deck, you know? He's got a honey-do list a mile long, but we may give him a week off or something like that. So come along and join the Empty Nest Supper Club. We'd love to have you. Okay, sorry we're early. Hello.
Hey, hi, good.
Good first. I was recording on the way over here saying it's our first post-vaccination get together. This is Kim, our hostess.
Hello.
Oh, I love the peacock plates. Are they new?
No, I've had them. They're just nice to dress up this
Love them. And of course, this home is quite beautiful. So, Bret's doing our first flight of stuff.
Champagne. Georges Vassel, Blanc Noir, 100% Pinot Noir.
It's a gold color.
Cheers, everybody.
Cheers. You know what you have?
Ooh, that board is nice.
I know, it's sweet.
It's new. It's the inaugural use of the board.
Of the board.
Freezing,
Yeah.
snow,
And what better way
hot,
than
100
John's
degrees, and
delicious
now May
Salmon.
1st,
salmon?
I tried to get him to do 2, but he wouldn't listen to me.
3
No.
3/4 inches less.
Not till his new kitchen is done, right?
Yeah.
His new outdoor kitchen. Oh, that looks great.
That cool?
Yeah.
It looks like a fish.
Okay, I think I have everything.
You're there.
Okay, wait, where's my wine?
Where's my wine? For God's
Where's my
sake.
wine?
Okay, we'll taste it. Everybody did give it a little taste. I will too. And then we will enjoy our salad without the video on. To my fancy friends.
I'm showing.
Oh, that's right, we're drinking for it. I might eat.
This is our second flight.
This
Right.
is a mirror
My
cab.
mom wants to.
A mirror cab. Okay, let me
Right,
take
and the wine owner is Rick Meyer. This is the one that we did.
Sorry,
in,
Brett. Excuse me.
Oh, this is what we
The
did at
export,
Joe's.
yeah.
This is what we did at Joe's when the guy.
Okay, so now we are dishing up the main course, which is Tuscan lasagna. And it looks good. Like it smelled good. It smelled like cake.
It smells wonderful.
Smells like cake?
This is
Okay.
We are
our
ready
favorite.
to dig in.
This is one of the faves of our Empty Nest Supper Club.
Entree fave.
Entree faves so far. I mean, we've had. The bad part is like we've had lots of really good stuff,
This
right?
is the host and hostess
Fave.
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 So
Okay.
this is.
Okay. Let's just cut it into.
Holy
those are-
Those are
guacamole.
like.
Well, we can
it'd be
go-
very large
yeah.
pieces.
Yeah, perfect.
We can do half of those. Like we can go this way or
Yeah.
this way.
So let's go to guys,
Will.
and we'll do these.
Okay.
Mrs.
Yeah.
Will.
Yes. Like it's
Hold
perfect
on.
now
Just
because
once-
it's
just
not
hold it.
falling apart.
Look at that.
Oh,
Look at that.
Gorgeous.
Fabian.
Thank you.
Gorgeous. Gorgeous.
Fabian.
And then another guy,
Okay.
and you can choose who your favorite guys are.
Anybody?
Depends on the day, right?
Right. And goodies.
Oh yeah, there you go.
You
The
gotta
goodies.
always have goodies.
I'm like flinging this knife around and
Yeah.
I'm just
You're in
looking through the
control.
camera, so you know, hey,
He who has the camera and the knife are in
in
control.
control.
Look how easy that
It
was.
was simple.
Here's the trick. Prepare beforehand so you can enjoy your guests when they are here.
The hostess with the mostest. We love her. Okay, a quick pan over our dinner and then we can eat and like,
And
Yum.
it's we have a nice Brunello,
okay.
Scargiano, from
I'm still
Italy, of
enjoying this
course.
Chardonnay.
We are, yes, some of us are drinking slower than others, which is unusual in this case.
No, she just did
Not
double
unusual.
refills.
What? No, I'm looking at Vicky's glass.
Okay, so Brett, could you tell us now, this is our final course, which is dessert.
So for dessert, we're having tiramisu. We serve this in a trifle dish. So the lady fingers are layered on the sides and horizontally with two layers of the mascarpone cream in between. I don't use coffee, I use chocolate in this. So it's heavy on the chocolate. And then with it, we have a Taylor Fladgate 20-year-old port that
Great.
complements it
A
perfectly.
tawny pork.
Just so you know, Brett is known for his desserts. He's the candy man. Yes, he is.
No, I don't.
And-
Demolished.
Yeah, it's gone. Like, look, everything's
Mine's looking
gone.
pretty good.
I just described Brett as the candy man.
And
Because-
the port is the perfect compliment.
Yay, I'm so
Lady
excited.
fingers.
Well, that was a really fun way to spend the day. And we realized that the idea of a supper club isn't new, but it sort of evolved with us because we all used to work together at some point, but have since gone in different directions. And we actually live about 45 minutes away from each other. So it's a great opportunity for us to get together because we don't see each other as often, obviously, anymore. And it's a great way for us to test recipes and drink really great wine, of course. That's what we do best, I think. And we don't tell the kids, although sometimes we post things on Facebook and they're like, wait, what? We weren't invited? Oh my God. So it's a great way for us to keep our expensive wine and to share it with 6 people instead of 26 people. So they will be invited one of these days. Yeah, one of these days. As always, I will provide links below for things like our recipes, the wine we drank, and, you know, please send me any questions and let me know if you start a supper club. I'd love to hear about it. Please subscribe, please share this video, please give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Aloha.
this rate?
Look.
How does this rate with Baldacci?
There you go.
Oh.
Can I just put it in the chair? Oops.